Hello and welcome to Okuma's How-To. My name is Jochen Onra. I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lasers. Today I'm going to introduce our Thermo-Friendly concept. Thermo-Friendly concept was introduced in 2001 for our double column machines. One of those machines is right behind me. After that, Thermo-Friendly concept was implemented to the whole product portfolio of Okuma. Thermo-Friendly concept is made to keep highest accuracy in the machine with changing ambient temperatures. It consists of three important points. The first point is thermosymmetrical design. If we have thermal influence, we want to grow our machine components as regular as possible and controllable. The second point is thermal isolation. Between our machine castings and the machining area, we have covers everywhere, so that heat out of the chips has no influence to our casting. The third point is thermoactive control. This means we have several sensors in the machine measuring the temperature, and our system will compensate the machine to keep highest accuracy. We can see the x-axis is compensated by 52 micron, the y-axis by 1.6 micron, and the z-axis by nearly 20 micron. Beside our spindle oil coolers, we don't have any other active cooling system in the machine. This saves energy. And now you ask yourself, where is the how-to? Basically, on Thermo-Friendly concept, there is none. Because Thermo-Friendly concept keeps your machine as accurate as possible, independent from changing temperatures, and you as an operator just produce maximum precision over the whole day. Thanks for joining today. Please also watch our other videos. If you have any questions, you can contact me and my team under info@okuma.eu.